Rock. Today we're going to hook up the fan installation and setup. The next thing we want to do is lay the case down so it's easier to work on. So before we can hook up the fans, we have to get our cord that came with the power supply. These are adapters.
Come on.
There's 4 of them. This is the mail-in that we're going to hook up to the power source, but we can't hook it up to the power source until we hook it up to the adapter. Adapter into the power source, there's a little clip right here that you're gonna have to squeeze if you want to get it off, and it goes right down in here to the bottom one, and it just hooks in there like so. Next thing we're gonna do is take a look at the power source and the 3 fans. We got our power source, got our fan 1, fan 2, and fan 3. Next thing we want to do is find our power cords so we can daisy chain them from male to female. We got one cord right here, the other cord right here, we got the other cord right here. Next what we're going to do is unravel our cords. You have to move the male and the female away from each other in order to unravel them. Then they'll just twist. And that's what it should look like when you're done. We're going to start with the next one. And then the next one, the last one. Just like that. Next we have to take this male from this fan, female from this fan, put them together just like the other ones. Daisy chain it, we need to hook this male end into this female end. In order to daisy chain it, we need to hook this male end into this female end.